welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I am super excited, you guys, because as you can see from the title down below, I got my very first VoxBox. Yay! So, for those of you that do not know what VoxBox is, it is from Influenster. If you don't know what Influencer is, I'm about to tell you. So, Influencer is an app that you can download and you go in and you review products, basically, that you have tried, that you currently use. You can answer questions that others have about certain products. You can ask questions about products that you yourself haven't tried or just have in general a question about. And then you go in and you do this. You go in and you answer these questions about all of these different products, and you can review as many as you want. And it's not just necessarily beauty. I mean, there are beauty, there's shampoo, there's conditioner, there's deodorant, there's lotions, sunscreens, toothpaste. I mean, there's so many different products. It's not just, necessarily like beauty and skincare. I mean, the spectrum is all around on the different types of products. But the more you review and the more you show what types of products you do use, they will send you at random free VoxBoxes. And then once you get the VoxBox, you go in, you get your box, you use the products, and then you go in and you review them. A lot of the times they are new to the market. So I do believe what I have in here is new. Like, it's not even available yet. So from what I looked at the website, this is not even available yet. I do know it is a Korean skincare. So we're going to open it up and take a look. I'm really excited. This is my very first VoxBox, you guys. I'm so excited. Alright, so this is what we see when we open it. So, yes, I got some skincare. AHC, #1 Korean aesthetic skincare brand. Innovative Korean skincare products crafted in the luxury spas of Seoul. So this is the AHC VoxBox. And so they have two products here. It looks like we have Essential Real Eye Cream for face. Right here. Concentrated eye cream that can be used for the whole face for a youthful appearance and resilient skin. That's interesting. Well, let's open it up. An eye cream for your whole face. Alright, so this is what the product looks like outside of the box. So I'm excited to give that a try. I'm definitely down for any type of skincare, and I do really enjoy Korean skincare. They just have really good skincare products. So I'm definitely open to trying this for sure. So that is, again, an eye cream, but it can be used for the entire face, which is pretty awesome. And then we have one more product. So there were two products in here. Hyaluronic serum, lightweight serum to boost moisture. Rich, refreshing serum perfectively hydrates skin with triple hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and French seawater. Ooh. All right. And again, if I did not say, what's really awesome is they send this to you for free. Just because you're reviewing it. Just because you go online to Influencer, to the app, and you review different products, like I said, based on that, they will come, and if they have a campaign come up with products that fit what you have reviewed, they'll send you the products for free. So I did get this for free, just for filling out questions, answering questions about products and surveys. It's that simple. AHC Hyaluronic Serum, a lightweight serum to boost moisture. So this is what this guy looks like. Is the bottle? Okay. I'm like, holding it, like thinking it's round, but it's not perfectly round. I'm like, what's going on? So there is the front. Specifically designed skincare regimen based on the Korean aesthetic clinic approach for all skin types. And then this talks about the products provide complete hydration to skin, dispense 4 to 6 drops onto hand and apply to face both day and night. Obviously it is for external use only. It says it's distributed by Unilever, which is the same brand that does Suave and different things like that. So, AHC must be owned in one way or affiliated with Unilever. So I want to see what it smells like. The French spa water. So I'm just going to do the 1 pump. And 1 pump, there you can see, is actually quite a bit. I couldn't imagine doing 4 to 6. But, because I mean, see, spreading it out, it's like, that's a lot. It smells very, very nice. It's a very, very light smell, but what I do smell is fresh and clean, and it's not in any way like chemical and then once you rub it in, actually it just kind of goes away. So, and my skin feels nice. So let's see what the eye cream or full face cream is like. It does have a safety seal, so that I do really, really appreciate. Obviously the serum being a pump bottle, that couldn't really be seal on that, but this I do appreciate that there is a safety seal. So we're just gonna put a little bit here on the back of my hand. Formulated with our microsome technology and our proprietary vitamin and peptide complex, dispense and spread evenly around face, patting gently until absorbed. So just to put a little bit here. And it does feel, it's very nice, and it's absorbing. Oh, and that does have a little bit of a fragrance, but it smells very, very good. It's a little bit on the floral side, kind of, but not too strong. I actually like, and I'm saying floral, like jasmine or like a white tea or something. So again, I mean, it's not like you can see anything. I wish you guys could feel the back of my hand right now because it feels like silk. So that is my first VoxBox. I am super excited to try these products more on a regular basis and then go to Influenster and submit my review or my thoughts on these products. Hopefully I will continue to start receiving some of these boxes occasionally. Like I said, this was my very first one. If you have not signed up for Influencer, I definitely recommend it. Because it's as easy as downloading an app and going in and reviewing products that you literally the products, like I said, that are listed are toothpaste. There are higher end makeup products. There are drugstore makeup products. It's just such a variety of items that I guarantee you have probably tried and could review 50 to 100 products, if not more. So there's products on there I guarantee you that you can definitely go in and review. So, and then you can get for free some skincare or makeup or hair stuff or whatever. So I, again, am just super excited to try both of these on a regular basis to see what they really do. Again, we have the Hyaluronic Serum, lightweight serum to boost moisture, and the Essential Real Eye Cream for face, is concentrated eye cream for the whole face. And I just think this leaves your skin smelling very, very light, but it does smell very good. This went in, they both like absorbed, and like I said, the back of this hand feels like silk. So I wish you guys could, I was about to say smell that. Wish you could smell this because it smells really good. And this smelled really good, but it kind of, as it absorbed, it went away. So, yay for some new skincare, again, from AHC. So I'm definitely, again, excited to give this a try. And then I'll go on to Influenster and give my thoughts. That's simple. So, again, don't forget, we have the 2 giveaways, Luxury Divas and Thrift Bag. Those links are down below. Go ahead and sign up for those if you have not already. Again, they end on the 28th and the 29th, so later this week. Definitely want to go ahead and sign up. I hope you have a fantastic day. I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.